Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern, H pattern wide state, H pattern, 555 H pattern wide state, H pattern. At this point, we're going to go to a break-even status. I don't like how this price is coming off. It's pretty deep on the retrace early on. So in the event that we get up to the 493.75, roughly around the 494 area, if we start to stall out, we're just going to pull our profits at that point. We might not get that full dollar. We might even get close enough to that dollar, but we're in a range-bound situation, so I don't want to overstay my welcome. We're not seeing a lot of buying interest at the moment. All right, we're taking way too much time to move that full dollar and then some, so we're going to actually go ahead and pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's roughly around a 90-cent move on QQQ today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, retesting off of an area support, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts off the 21 moving average on our 1-minute chart. If it can't get above the 21 after a certain amount of time, we'll just pull profits at that point.
Order filled.
And there's $1.20 today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ for the final time. H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, lightning to the upside. 555 H pattern, area support, wide state. H pattern with lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Since there's a lot of momentum behind this, we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to manage this bar by bar moving forward. If the price holds around the 25 to 33% range, we'll hold out, and we're going to see if the price can get up to the 494 area again, if not the 494.25. So again, we're going to wait, and we're going to see if this price holds this minor retracement area. If it does, we'll hold out longer. If it doesn't, and the price retraces deeper, we will wait until it gets up to the pivot point again, and we would just close out at that point. At this point, it looks like the price is starting to struggle trying to fight through that 494 area. So here, within 30 seconds or so, if we can't fire off and get past the 494.25, we're just going to close our position out.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.90 move on this trade, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade was 90 cents. Our second trade was $1.20. Our final trade was $1.90. So we're up $4 on 3 trades today, ladies and gentlemen. So as always, never forget, be a pro.